Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the SUI token on your Kucoin mobile app. And our first step is going to be simply open up the Kucoin. Once you've opened up Kucoin, your next step is simply going to be converting any possible cryptocurrency assets you might possess. If you do not possess any cryptocurrency assets in your wallet, your most desirable step is going to be depositing. So once you've clicked on deposit, you could either deposit USDT, XRP, Tron, BNB, whatever you might possess. And once that's done, you simply scroll here on this taskbar and simply click on convert. And once you've gotten to convert, you're simply going to be converting $1 worth of USDT into the SUI token, SUI. And now, okay, insufficient balance, but you get my point. You simply click on confirm and you'll be able to convert your cryptocurrency. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the SUI token on your KuCoin mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.